Good day, everyone. You are welcome back to Idowu Math class. Before we go to today's work, let's look at a previous assignment given to you. Here is number one question of the assignment. Suppose today is Sunday. What day of the week will it be after 66 days? 66 days is what we have to deal with. 66 days, try to find out the multiples of 7 that we can have in 66. And multiple of 7 in 66 is 63. 63 days plus 3 days. This 66 days is 63 days plus 3 days. This multiple of 7 is the same thing as 9 weeks, where we have 3 days on top. What is the essence of this? When you get the multiples of 7 in the number of the days, that multiple of 7 will give you the same day again. It is Sunday. It will still be Sunday after any multiple of 7. Because 7 days make 1 week. After 7 days, it will still be Sunday. After 14 days, it will still be Sunday. After 21 days, it will still be Sunday. Those numbers I'm mentioning, they are multiples of 7. After 28 days, it will still be Sunday. After 35 days, it will still be Sunday. After 42 days, it will still be Sunday. After 49 days, it will still be Sunday. You continue like that. So also after 63 days, it will still be Sunday. Now, these 3 days extra, that is not part of the multiples of 7. That is the number you will count on from Sunday. So, these 3 extra days is what we have to count on from Sunday. You count, after the Sunday, you count Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So, it will be Wednesday after 66 days. 66 days. And that is how to solve it. Question 2 of the assignment. Express 1.5 hours in minutes. That is, this 1.5 means 3/2 hours, which you can rewrite as 3/2 times 1 hour. This 3/2 times 1 hour, the 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 minutes. 2 divides 2. 2 goes into once. 2 in 60, 30. So we have 3 times 30 minutes. 3 times 30 is 90 minutes. And that is it. That is how to convert hours to minutes. Here is question 3 of the assignment. Find the sum in seconds of 1.5 minutes, 59 seconds, and 40 seconds. Among the 3 values given here, one is minutes, is in minutes. The rest 2 and in seconds. So let's convert 1.5 minutes, the 1.5 minutes to seconds as 3/2 times 60 seconds. How and why? If you write 3/2 minutes as 3/2 times 1 minute. 1 minute is the same thing as 60 seconds. So we can have 2 divided by 2, that gives us 1. 60 divided by 2, that gives us 30. So we can now write 3 times 30 seconds, which is 90 seconds. That is the minutes converted to seconds. Therefore, we can now add 90 seconds plus 59 seconds, also plus 40 seconds. 90 plus 59 plus 40. Let me do it like this so you understand. 40. This is 9. 9 plus 5 plus 4. That is 18. Therefore, the sum is 189 seconds. That's the sum. Question 4 of the assignment is on the board. Express 19 in tally marks. 19 in tally marks means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That is it. That is 19 in tally marks. Let's consider question 5. What is 2014 in Roman numerals? 2014 could be broken into 2000 plus 10 plus 4, which is, for 2000 it is mm, plus for 10 it is x, plus for 4 it is iv. That's for 4. This addition sign does not mean anything. It's just to show their relationship. So we can now write m, x, I, v. So that is 2014 written in Roman numerals. Question 6. What is please in alphabet for number code system? In other words, what does please stand for in alphabet for number code system? Well, since it is the matter between alphabet and code system, we have to write the alphabet out for you to understand. Therefore, please means P is 16, comma, L is 12, comma, he is 5, comma, A is 1, comma, S is 19, comma, then he is 5. This is the code that stands for please, is coded in alphabet for number code system. Question 7, the last question of the assignment. State the place value of column 2 in 35.21. Place value of 3 in 4,378. Place value of 5 in 27.156. Let's take them one after the other. 35.21 could be written as 30 plus 5 plus 2 over 10 plus 1 over 100. Therefore, value of 2 in 35.21 is 2 over 10 or 2/10. The next is 4,378. It could be written as 4,000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 8. Therefore, value of 3 in 4,378 is, let's look for it. What is the value of 3? It's 300 or 300. That's it. It could be written in figure like this, 300, or as mixture of figure and word. And lastly in the question, 27.156 could be written as 20 plus 7 plus 1 over 10 plus 5 over 100 plus 6 over 1,000. Therefore, the value of 5 in 27.156 is, the value of 5 there is what? 5 over 100 or 500. That is it. It is acceptable as 5 over 100 or 500. And that is the end of the assignment. I want to believe your solution and mine tally, and if not, please do your correction where necessary. And if you realize that a particular aspect of it is not yet clear to you, thank God for technology, playback, rewatch, and restudy, digest, and reattempt any question that seems difficult. The main topic of today that we are considering is whole numbers. Under the whole numbers, we are starting from natural numbers. Natural numbers are positive whole numbers, starting from 1 to infinity, counting numbers, because they are the numbers we use in counting. As you know, we don't use 0 in counting. We don't use negative numbers like -1, -2 in counting. We use positive whole numbers in counting, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to infinity. So, and that is natural numbers. And these natural numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so forth. The difference between any two consecutive of them is 1. What do we mean by consecutive? Consecutive means following each other closely. So when I say any two consecutive natural number or whole numbers, that is, like 1 and 2, they are consecutive, following each other closely. 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, 5 and 6, and so forth. So the difference between any two consecutive of them like that is 1. The difference between 1 and 2 is 1. The difference between 2 and 3 is 1. As in, when you subtract the small one from the big one, the difference will be 1. the answer will be 1. We should take note that algebraically, these numbers can be represented as x if an initial number, which is a natural number, is x. The next one is expected to be x plus 1. While the next one is x plus 2, and then x plus 3, and so forth. That is the algebraic representation of natural or whole numbers. Let's take some example for a clearer picture of what I'm explaining to you. Let's see this example 1, which is the application of what I've just explained to you now. The sum of 3 consecutive whole numbers is 30. Find the largest of them. Let x plus 1, and x plus 2 be the numbers, as in the 3 consecutive whole numbers. Let x plus 1, and x plus 2 represent them. And we are told that their sum is 30. Practically, from what we form, the sum of the 3 numbers we form, x plus 1, and x plus 2, the sum of the 3 of them is said to be 30. From here, x plus x is 2x, plus x is 3x. So we have 3x. 1 plus 2, that's 3, which is equal to 30. Collecting the like terms, we have 3x equals 30 minus 3. Remember, when you take positive 3 from this side to the other side of the equation, it will change the arithmetic sign. From this positive, it becomes negative. So we have 3x equals 27. Dividing both sides by 3, we have 3x divided by 3 equals 27 divided by 3. I continue from this side. X is equal to 9. You can see that x is equal to 9 from here. That is the end of the solution of the equation. Now, remember, we are to find the largest of them. The largest of x plus 1, and x plus 2 is this x plus 2. Therefore, the largest is equal to x plus 2. X plus 2, which is, remember, x is 9. 9 plus 2, which is 11. That is the answer. Let's look at this example 2. The sum of the smallest and the largest of a set of 3 consecutive whole numbers is 44. Find the 3 numbers. See, let the 3 numbers be x plus 1, x plus 2. Why are we using x always? You can use any other letter. So, the sum of the smallest and the largest of a set of 3 consecutive whole numbers is 44. The smallest here is x. The largest is x plus 2. The sum of these smallest and the largest is said to be 44. That is, x plus 2 is equal to 44. X plus x is 2x plus 2 equals 44. Collecting the like terms, we have 2x equals 44 minus 2. So 2x equals 42. Divide both sides by 2. We have 2x divided by 2, which is equal to 42 divided by 2. And x will be equal to 21. If x is equal to 21, I come here, We say, therefore, the three numbers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2. That is, the x is 21, 21 plus 1, 21 plus 2. And finally, 21 plus 1, that's 22. 21 plus 2, that's 23. You can see the three consecutive whole numbers now. They are 21, 22, and 23. And truly, if you add the smallest, which is 21, add it to the largest, which is 23. 21 plus 23 gives us 44, which is in line with what the question carries. Let's consider this example 3. The median of 5 consecutive whole numbers is 9. Find their sum, as in the sum of the 5 of them. Let the numbers be x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. You know they are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Their median is 9. What is a median? Median is the middle value of a set of numbers that has been arranged in ascending or descending order. So the middle value is what we call median. If the middle value happens to be a singular number, then that is the median. And if it happens to be 2, as in 2 values at the middle, we add them together and divide them by 2. Whatever we get is the median of such data. So in this case, they are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Definitely a single number will be at the middle, at the center. And that middle number is this x plus 2. We can't 2 numbers to the left, 2 numbers to the right. The one at the center is the median. The one at the center is the median. And the question says, the median of 5 consecutive whole numbers is 9. So, therefore, median is x plus 2, which is equal to 9. Median by reality of the algebraic representation here is x plus 2. Median by the facts given to us in the question is 9. So we equate them together. Median given and median derived, we equate them together to have x plus 2, which is equal to 9. Solve this simple linear equation. We have x equals 9 minus 2. So x equals 7 is the solution of the simple equation. If that is it, the question now says find their sum. That is the sum of the 5 consecutive whole numbers. We say their sum therefore is x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4, which is x plus x, 2x plus x, 3x plus x, 4x plus x, 5x. Yes, 1 plus 2, that's 3, plus 3, that's 6, plus 4, that is 10. That's the sum of the 5 of them. But we have known the value of x to be 7, so we have 5 times 7 plus 10. 5 times 7 is 35. 35 plus 10 gives us 45. So 45 is the sum of the 5 consecutive whole numbers. Example 4. The median of 3 consecutive whole numbers is 8. Find the 3 numbers. Let x plus 1, x plus 2 be the 3 numbers. The 3 numbers. Therefore, the median here is x plus 1, the middle value, because this number is already arranged in ascending order. So the middle number here is x plus 1. That middle number is the median, which is equal to 8. So therefore, median equals x plus 1, which is equal to 8. Median is 8. Median is x plus 1. That means x plus 1 is equal to 8. So we solve this simple linear equation as x equals 8 minus 1 by collecting the like terms. And x equals 7. Find the three numbers. The three numbers, therefore, are x, x plus 1, x plus 2. That is, what's x? 7, 7 plus 1, 7 plus 2. And finally, 7, 8, 9. The three numbers are 7, 8, 9. And truly we can see that the median of these three numbers is 8, the middle number there, the middle value. So that is the end of what I have for you under natural numbers.